Next, 22. Derivative of sin hx cos hx. H means it is a symbol for a hyperbolic. Symbol for a hyperbolic. This is ordinary function. This is the hyperbolic function. Derivative of cos hx equal to sin hx. Observe these two formulas. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Derivative of cos h. This is hyperbolic. Sin h. Derivative of tan h secant h square x. Secant h square x. Derivative of cot hx. Derivative of cot hx minus cosecant h square x. Derivative of secant hx minus secant hx tan hx. Derivative of cosecant hx minus cosecant hx cot hx. Next, derivative of sin h inverse x. Sin h inverse x 1 by under root 1 plus x square. Derivative of cos h inverse x. Cos h inverse x 1 by under root x square minus 1. Derivative of tan h inverse x. Tan h inverse x 1 by 1 minus x square. Derivative of cot h inverse x. Cot h inverse x 1 by 1 minus x square. Both are same. Derivative of secant h inverse x minus 1 by x into under root 1 minus x square. Derivative of cosecant h inverse x. Cosecant h inverse x 1 by x into under root x square plus 1 x square plus 1 1 by x into under root x square plus 1 next. Suppose u equal to f of x, v equal to g of x. U equal to f of x, v equal to g of x are two functions in x. Derivative of their product, derivative of their product u dash v plus v dash u, u dash v plus v dash u. Dash means derivative, dash means derivative. Next, derivative of uvw, u, v, w, all three functions are in x. U, v, w are all functions in x. So their derivative u dash vw plus v dash uw plus w dash uv, u dash vw plus v dash uw plus w dash uv, derivative of u by v, derivative of u by v, u dash v, v dash u by v square, u dash v minus v dash u by v square by v square by v square. Suppose given we want a derivative of x cube into sin x, x cube into sin x. There are one is the algebraic function, one is the trigonometric function. So take it as u, it as v. So u dash v plus v dash u, u dash v plus v dash u. Dash means derivative. So this is x power n form, n into x power n minus 1 into sin x. Derivative of sin x, cos x into x cube. There is a derivative symbol. So apply derivative formula. There is derivative symbol. Apply derivative formula. There is no derivative symbol. So write as it is. Write as it is. So this is the application of UV. Application of UV formula. Okay. Next.